Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this is the requested video, and the question is from October-November 2004. It's the paper 7 and question 2. Over a long period of time, it is found that the amount of sunshine on any day in a particular town in Spain has mean 6.7 hours and standard deviations 3.1 hours. Part 1. Find the probability that the mean amount of sunshine over a random sample of 300 days is between 6.5 and 6.8 hours. All right, looking at the info given, we are looking at the mean given 6.7 and standard deviation 3.1. If we are going to find the probability that the mean amount of sunshine, that means we are looking at the X-bar distributions. And X-bar distributions follows normal distributions, where the mean is 6.7 and the standard deviations is 3.1, but we have to put the info of variance here. So it's going to be 3.1 square. And don't forget the sample mean distributions, the variance needs to be divided by sample size. 300, right? A random sample of 300 days. Okay, we are finding the probability that the sample mean, the mean amount of sunshine in between 6.5 and 6.8 hours. Okay, so first step is always trying to carry out standardizations. 6.5 minus the mean divided by the standard deviations. Okay, we have to do the same here. Okay, then we can use calculator and calculate out this value up to 3 decimal places, because this is where we can read from the normal distribution table. So we get to negative 1.117, and this is going to be 0.559. All right, so we can check on a bell-shaped curve. So let's say we sketch the standardized bell-shaped curve. In the middle, the mean is 0. So when the z-score value is negative 1.117, it's going to be here, negative 1.117. 0.559 is closer to the origin here, 0.559. So this is the area that we want, and this is going to give us the probability. So when we refer to the normal distribution table, so let's see, we have a lot of the table here. We try to look for the z-score 0.559. So when the z-score is 0.5, and then 5 and 9. So the corresponding probability will be here. 5 and 5, 7088. And the value, this is 31. So you can just take 7088 plus with 31. And what do you get? You get 7119. All right, that means the probability we found is 0.7119. Then we have to minus off the area given by the negative 1.117 over here. And since this is a smaller area, which is not given by the table directly, we have to take 1 minus. All right, so we're looking at the z-score when it is 1.117. So now we try to look for the value 1.1 and then 1 and 7. So 1.1, 1 is here, x665, and 7 is 14. So we take x665 and 14. So 8679, right? So which means we're going to get 0.8679. 8679. All right, so that is how you find out the probability. And press calculator, answer 0.5798. Round off to 3 significant, 0.580, 3 SF. Okay, so that is how we find out the probability for the question part 1. So now we look at the part 2. Give a reasons why it is not necessary to assume that the daily amount of sunshine is normally distributed in order to carry out the calculation in part 1. Okay, as you check the sample size, it's 300. So this is considered large. When the sample size is large, when we recall the central limit theorem, which can be written as CLT, can be applied. And when we apply central limit theorem, the sample mean distributions will be approximately normal. So the mean amount of sunshine will be approximately normal as long as the sample size is large. All right? So that is why it's not necessary to assume that the daily amount of sunshine is normal distributions. Okay? So that's all for these questions. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.